Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so happy to be back filming for you guys and doing some tutorials. So we're starting off today with a simple braided hairstyle. This is a request from my daughter Cam, so I'm going to try my best to fulfill all of her desires for her hair with this style. Her hair is freshly washed, detangled, blow dried, moisturized, all that good stuff. So we're jumping straight into the tutorial and parting out her hair like I do and starting from the back. The back of her hair is going to be just simple 3-strand braids. This is what she requested. Usually I like to braid a bit and then do like a twist, but she wants them to be braided right to the end. She thinks it will last much longer and it will be much easier for her when she's going to be styling her hair throughout the next couple of weeks. So I braid the hair about 3/4 and she just finishes it off for me. That way we get through the style quicker. She gets involved, you know, get a little practice with dealing with her hair at the same time. So again, I'm just doing like medium size braids at the back, and I will list everything that I've applied to her hair prior in the description box, because I made sure that I moisturized it, I sealed it, all that good stuff. And this is how her braids are looking. We only have a couple more left at the moment. But she likes them, so I am happy. Once she's happy, I'm happy, guys. So yeah, I braid all of the back of her hair, and this is how it looks right down to the ends. And we are moving on swiftly to the front of her hair. I'm going to be doing a somewhat simple cornrow style, but just jazzing it up a little bit. She didn't mind how I freestyled the front once it wasn't straight back, so I decided to just do the sides a bit curved. As you can see, again, her hair has been thoroughly moisturized. I've used a bit of like jam at the front just to catch all of those flyaways. I won't be like laying her edges or anything like that. I don't think she needs it, but I want the style to be as neat and sleek as possible so that it would last longer. So again, I'm going to braid these right to the ends as she requested. It will definitely last about a good 2-3 weeks, and yeah, this is how it is looking. So again, I just braid to wherever I'm comfortable, and then she just takes over. So that's that side completed for you guys, and I'm gonna quickly show you the other side as well that I went ahead and just did off camera. And that's that side. They're basically identical, and at the front, what I've decided to do, just to give it a little, you know, jazz it up a bit, is to do alternate braids, and then the rest of them we are just going to cornrow these pretty much just straight back. And we're on to the very last one. I found that this style was very easy. It took less time than usual. And I think that is also because her hair was prepped very well before. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. She's happy. As I said, she'll accessorize it however she likes during the week. But yeah, leave any comments down below for any requests, just to say hi. I hope you guys are always here. We've missed you. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon and see you in my next video. Bye.